Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal without a credit card, allowing you to shop online with ease. You can link a bank account directly to your PayPal profile, a very straightforward and secure process. This connection enables PayPal to draw funds directly from your checking account for your purchases, acting as a primary funding source. It's a widely accepted and reliable method for all your online transactions, providing a robust alternative to using any credit card. Another excellent option for funding your PayPal transactions is by adding a debit card. This card, typically linked to your checking or savings account, functions much like a credit card for online payments. When you select PayPal at checkout, it will access funds directly from your linked bank account via the debit card. Just ensure your debit card is enabled for online purchases before you attempt to link it to your PayPal profile. You can also utilize your existing PayPal balance for transactions without needing any external cards. When you receive funds from sales, refunds, or transfers, they often sit as a readily available balance in your account. Simply choose to pay with your PayPal balance during checkout. Furthermore, some retailers accept specific PayPal gift cards, providing another way to pay without a traditional credit or debit card attached to your profile. To ensure the smoothest experience, it's highly recommended to verify your PayPal account. Verification helps increase transaction limits and strengthens the security of your account, making it more robust against potential issues. Always use strong, unique passwords for your PayPal account, combining upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Additionally, enabling two-factor authentication adds an essential extra layer of protection, safeguarding your financial information effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.